Welcome to the JWK show. We talk about crypto and we keep things short and concise. Right now, we are witnessing another big crypto dump. We have Bitcoin falling below the $100,000 mark, and this is due to, of course, manipulation. And we also have rumors going around of a massive Bitcoin sale. We have Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy starting to sell his Bitcoin for the first time in 2 years, dumping 33,000 Bitcoin worth $3.2 billion. And we have continued sell pressure going on. So guys, this is absolutely insane if this is true. As Michael Saylor talks about $1 million Bitcoin all the time. He is one of the biggest Bitcoin maxis, and he preaches about Bitcoin essentially becoming the next new reserve world currency. And so if that's the case, why is Michael Saylor selling his Bitcoin at a measly $100,000? What's going on? This is the top of the bull market. Well, we do have a lot of misinformation going on. We do have confirmation from CoinDesk, and they have said there is no truth to the rumor. Michael Saylor says strategy aggressively accumulating Bitcoin. So guys, Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy, as of now, they are not selling any Bitcoin, but eventually we could see liquidations due to their mass debts for selling their Bitcoin, right? So although they are not willingly selling their Bitcoin, we could see eventually forced liquidations happening to Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy. So we do have from Coinbase as well. Strategy did not sell its Bitcoin. We had 58,915. Again, the 589 number was moved to new custody wallets not sold. And we have Michael Saylor also denying selling rumors as well. And guys, this rumor was so big, we even had Walter Bloomberg themselves reporting, right? We have MSTR, Arkham, Saylor's strategy cuts Bitcoin holdings by 47,000 Bitcoin. But again, guys, this is not true and has been confirmed by the head of MicroStrategy of 0 Bitcoin being sold. And we have Michael Saylor on CNBC stating they're buying quite a lot, and they'll be reporting their next buys on Monday morning next week.
Michael, given where Bitcoin's trading right now, are you
right? They have been DCAing for a very, very long time.
Buying?
We are buying. We're buying quite a lot, actually, and we'll actually report our next buys on Monday morning. I think people will be pleasantly surprised. In fact, we've been accelerating our purchases.
Are you ever not buying, Michael?
No, we're always buying.
They hold 941,000 Bitcoin. Imagine if we see mass liquidations, 600,000 plus Bitcoins being sold.
Bitcoin's always a good
on the
investment.
open market.
But no, that's interesting, though, in terms of buying today at $95,364 versus buying 2 or 3 weeks ago. You're saying you were buying at both. What's, if you were looking over the last year, sort of at your average, do you weight the buying based on, trading?
We now own nearly 3.1% of the network, and we bought it on a blended average about 74,000 a coin.
We have the 13 number again, and if Bitcoin falls below 74,000, then that would be extremely terrible for MicroStrategy, the rest of the Bitcoin crypto markets. As of now, we do have Bitcoin trading at $95,000, and with the sell-off happening, it does make sense that many people believed into the rumor. And we do have XRP also, unfortunately, moving down despite the XRP ETF trading at $2.30, going as low as $2.22. But guys, as of now, XRP is still holding above the green line, which is as of now bullish. And we do have Michael Saylor tweeting this out as well, reference to the Titanic sinking. And we have from CZ Binance on 2022 411, which could also be 1113. And CZ says, when the Titanic sinks, little floats near it get dragged down too, but the floats will eventually come back up if they are untethered. So we will see the entire crypto market sinking, but the cryptos that are not tied up, propped up by Tether USDT, will be the ones surviving. And guys, that is XRP, XLM, unfortunately not Bitcoin. And we have from the Kobeissi letter, ignore the noise. We're back to the point where the top is in has become consensus. Extreme fear sentiment readings have become a daily occurrence, and large cap technology stocks are down 10 to 20% after running 100+%. Guys, these are all hallmark signs of a technical correction in a broader uptrend. We are still in a bull market, and guys, with now the narrative being the top of the market, most retail investors, many people being bearish, guys, we always know the opposite happens, and so it seems like we are getting ready for a reversal to happen to the markets as the masses are currently bearish. We have a major reminder, and that is Treasury will start injecting liquidity within 2 to 3 days. We had JP Morgan expecting nearly $300 billion in liquidity injection by mid-December. So will we see one more crypto pump before the end of the year? We also have President Trump saying the U.S. economy will boom in the next 5 to 6 months, which aligns with the anonymous timeline of the crypto market going absolutely parabolic in 2026. But as of now, we have the S&P 500 on track for its worst November since 2008. And lastly, we are on the verge of the AI bubble collapse as well. At this point, we have China's tech companies trolling the US. We have ByteDance unveiling China's most affordable AI coding agent at just $1.30 a month. We have the 13 number again. And guys, China's AI technology just outperforms the US by a landslide. And we are in a clear bubble as the revenue from these tech companies, AI companies, do not match up with the propped up valuations given to these AI companies. So there is a big disbalance there. And so eventually we will see the bubble popping as many AI companies, the overall AI market as a whole is overbought. So eventually we will see the bubble popping. Everything is right now overinflated, especially AI. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. The question is, guys, when will we see this popping? As the Xrp insiders have said, the everything crash bubble will happen in 2026.